the spark plug wire or remove the battery pack so that the mower won't start. When you're certain of that, you can elevate the mower using a hydraulic jack or ramps, or by tilting it with the carburetor facing upward to prevent flooding. Raise the deck only as high as you need and rest it on solid wooden blocks or stands under the frame or deck hang points. It should not be left hanging on hydraulics or springs. Once it's blocked, use your eyes and your hands to check each blade. Look and feel for cracks, bends, or missing chunks, and check every spindle bolt or fastener for looseness. If you find a cracked blade or a loose spindle, stop. Tag the mower out and report it so it can be fixed before it goes back to work. Blocking a suspended deck protects you from crushing injuries and catching loose or damaged blades, keeps the mower safe to use. Exactly what OSHA expects anytime you're under heavy equipment. Isolate the power, block the deck, and inspect every blade before your day starts.